wants to go home.
I'm supposed to be tough. What do you want? Maybe I'm commanding you.
He's a dead man already.
Watch out!
The president wants to see you. Come quickly.
You know what's up?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you told him?
Twende. Where is the doctor? Aibu ya nani? Daktari kwa wapi? Wait.
Mankana!
Thanks to the support of our French friends. Why would you come? You have a problem. We have nothing you need in Rwanda.
You can't imagine.
We have Kalashnikovs from Albania, Czech grenades, Israel Uzis, ammo from Egypt, M16 rifles from the USA. So what? Machetes, Captain. We have to defend our people. They attacked us. And now the people have risen up to defend themselves.
I will see what we can do.